What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize the Debutify theme on Shopify. So let's get right to it. First of all, as you can see, I'm on my Shopify homepage, and to go to the themes you simply need to go to online store here from the menu on the left, click on it, and the first tab that is selected by default, or the first page, is themes. Now my current theme is the Spotlight theme, and as you can see I've done some customizations to it. Now scroll down, you'll see some of the more popular themes, and if you do not find the theme that you are looking for, in our case the Debutify theme, you can click to visit the theme store or click to learn more about your theme. So I'm going to explore the themes store here. It'll open up in a new tab, and it'll show me the current themes that are available. However, some of them are free, some are not. The more advanced ones are of course paid, and they are not cheap, as you can see. Now if you scroll down and try to search for the Debutify theme, you would not find it. That's because we need to go to their website in order to get a free trial and try the themes and install it. Or sorry, the Debutify theme. Now we want to go ahead and open a new tab, go and search for Debutify. Okay, or go to their website, that's debutify.com, or simply search for Debutify Shopify theme, and here it should be the first result. Now it's a great theme if you are running like an online shop. Now we want to start a 14 days free trial here, and now we simply need to register. That's enter our full name, email address, and a password. Or if you already have an account, you can log in. Now I'm going to enter my information and then continue the sign up process to create my account. And once I gone through the sign up process and verified my email, now this is my main dashboard. Now I already created my account with the 14 days free trial. Now I'll need to connect my Shopify store. So let's close this pop-up right here. Now I'll need to connect to my store. Do you have a Shopify store? Yes, I do. Now I'll need to enter the store URL, and to access it, go to your store, go to settings here. And as you can see, I've connected a custom domain name. However, I'll need to connect like the original Shopify URL. So go ahead, scroll down, click on domain. And this is the custom one provided by Shopify. We'll need to select it here. Okay, we clicked on it. Never mind, select it from here, copy it, go to the Debutify page, enter the URL, and click on verify URL. Okay, it is valid. Connect to the Shopify store and get the theme. It doesn't want to connect it. Let's go back. Yes, let's paste the URL once again, verify it. Okay, it's already connected. That means it's connected. Let's refresh this page. Okay, now it's connected. Seems there was something wrong. Now we need to get the theme here. Click on get theme and download the theme. Let's download it. Okay, I would like to download this theme without having my settings copied, so download it. And now it'll be downloaded to my computer. And here the download is completed. It's downloaded to my computer. And they even give you a video if you don't know how to install or download and install the theme on your Shopify. Now let's close this pop-up. And to install the theme on your Shopify, it's pretty easy. Let's go back to Shopify, close the settings, go back to themes. If it's not selected by default, select online store and go to themes here, and let the page load. And now in the themes page, once you are at the themes page, to add the downloaded themes, go here to themes library, click on add themes, and from here upload a zip file. And now click on add file, go to downloads, and then upload the newly downloaded file. That's the Debutify .zip. Then click on upload the file or upload theme. It'll take a moment depending of course on your internet connection speed, and the theme should be uploaded. And once it's uploaded, as you can see here, it's installing on my Shopify store. And now the theme is added. Now to make it your default theme, you can simply click here on publish or click on customize to customize the theme. So I'll go ahead and click on customize. It'll open up the theme editor on Shopify. And here you can customize each and every element of the theme. Now, if you click here on this banner right here, you can add a block name, and you can select an image to be the background or explore some free images, stock images. And let's say women's fashion. If you are running like a fashion store, let's add this picture. And as you can see, it'll be uploading here, and it's uploaded. Now let's go back to categories. Let's close this image. And here you can select an image on mobile. Okay, we forgot to save. Let's do it again. Okay, women's fashion. Let's select the same photo and then click on select. And the photo is now added. Now you can click to add another photo as a mobile if you are viewing the website from a mobile phone. And now you can select the image alignment for mobile and desktop and slide link. You can add a video if you want to. Now the text here, it says slideshow. You can change it to like our newest collection. Okay. And here the like subtitle, you can also change it. So let's say browse our new items. Okay, and now the text in the middle position, and here you have the font. You can change the font. You have two buttons, the shop now and learn more. The shop now will be redirecting to your products, let's say shop. Okay, and the second button is like learn more, and it'll be also redirecting to all products. You can choose to redirect to like a blog post, like about yourself or your company, and that's it. Now if you select here the other featured collection, item or block, okay, no, we want to stay on the page. You can show on desktop or on mobile phone. You can add a blank background or an accent background, or a border, add a border top. Okay, now the container size is fluid or default. Heading, it says featured collection. Let's change it to, for example, for the sake of this video, to featured products. Okay, and you can add a subheading, view our latest products. Okay, and as you can see, it is added. Now you can select a collection to be added here. I haven't added any collections to my Shopify store, so nothing will be shown. Okay, there is a problem with the request. Let's try once again. Select the collection, and as you can see, you have the option to create a collection, since I don't have ones that are added. Now the number of rows, you can select number of rows on the desktop here or on the mobile. Let's select 3 here. As you can see, now there are 3 products that are added. And on the mobile phone, 2 products. Let's view the mobile view. Here it's only 1 or 2 products. However, it seems to show only 1 product. Now you can show the button to view all. Let's go back to desktop. If you click on the collection to show all, and here the button label is view all. If you go ahead here, and you can change it and add a link here. Now here you have the button styles, primary, default, or outlined, and you can enable the slider, enable show arrows, show dots, or enable autoplay and autoplay speed. And you can edit the theme settings here. Can select a color, the product grid variance option, and you can edit like all the settings as you would do on a normal like Shopify theme. Now here, this section, guarantee section, you can also edit the buttons, the text, the alignment, and the font, and the media size, and so on. And you can also add blocks here. So if you go back, you can view here the sections on the home page, the age check, the cart goal, and so on. And now I can add a section. I can add a section to the general group here. or I can add add-ons group. I can add a section. So let's say I add CJ dropshipping, and it should be added here. However, I haven't activated it, so it doesn't show. Now, once you are happy with all your settings, simply click on Save or click on Publish to publish your website. So that's how easy it is to install the Debutify theme and customize it on your Shopify store.